wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Today I'm going to be reviewing the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. I'm like looking at it. Just make sure I said it right. I am beyond excited because CoverGirl sent this package out, and I am so happy and excited because they've been upgrading their products, and their products have been improving. I've noticed. And I think it's funny because if you guys watched my first PR video of CoverGirl, I had mentioned I haven't tried these products since like high school or junior high, because they had a little green powder thing and I never liked it, so I never went back to buy their products. And it's crazy because these products that they have been sending out, they are so good, and I'm doing my full face so you guys could see. I am going to be putting lashes that are not going to be from CoverGirl. I'm probably bronzing and putting blush, but the rest of my face will be from CoverGirl. Okay, so the first things I'm going to be using is their primer. I really want to mix both of these together. This helps neutralize your skin tone. It's like a greenish primer. It says neutralizes redness and brightness skin while correcting uneven skin tone. So I don't have a lot of pinkish, but you know, I know the green helps with like uneven skin tone, and I feel like I have like darker spots. I don't know. And this one is like smoothing. I did want to try their primer with the pores, but I'll review that in another video, probably trying one day and then trying out one day, trying another day, and then telling you guys what I think.
Beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal when they say it's over.
Okay, I don't know if this is mentally, but I feel like my skin looks brighter than before putting this primer on. Smooth skin blur as well as to create perfect canvas, helps extend to wear of your makeup, long lasting, weightless feel. Maybe it's the lighting. Okay, so the foundation I'm going to be using is Sand Beige. I know this might seem too dark for me because you guys see, but every time I go to Estee Lauder, the foundation looks super dark and it is perfectly with my skin tone. And for the Maybelline one, I usually buy Neutral Beige or Sand Beige. And I really wanted to do Sand Beige because I feel like I always tend to go lighter than what I am. So if this looks too dark on me, after I blend it out, it's going to look okay. This is the foundation, and this is supposed to be a matte finish. So you pull it up. I was like trying to twist it, and this is pretty cool because usually we stain the thing, and I really like this because you could just press, and then when you run out, the reason I like these because you could open it and you just like with the little thing you twist it. I don't know, I really like these.
See, it started at the park, used to chill after dark. Ooh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. Cause we both thought that love lasts forever. They say we're too young to get ourselves sprung. Oh, we didn't care. We made it very clear, and they also say.
Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I am going to be applying their concealer. I think you guys could notice that this does look like a matte finish. I mean, I really feel like it does look like a matte finish. I'm going to be applying their concealer. I just don't want to apply too much and make it cakey. But they say you're supposed to apply a lot of concealer to make it look better, but I can't agree with that.
It's very defined, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh Lord. My baby is driving me crazy.
I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl pomade, and I really like this pencil, and it has their little brush right there. So you open it up, and then you open this part up, and then you grab the color, and then you just apply it. The only bad thing is that sometimes you need a brush, like if you're like me, but you could still work with it. And I really like it because I feel like it just, if you guys look at my eyebrows after this video and check out older videos, I feel like I like my eyebrows right now after I kind of clean them and since I've been using this.
Nothing she says. Beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. What's a little bit longer? I can go a little while longer. She fades away.
Beautiful angel, love your imperfections, everything, God. I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you, amazing. Nothing can compare the way you naked. Now we're back with it, so many got you faded.
So to all the girls that's hurting, let me be your mirror. Help you see a little bit clearer. The light that shines within. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way.
I do want to mention I did not apply their falsies or their mascara because I couldn't find the mascara. I don't know where I left it, but they did send out a mascara. But I did review it, so if you guys want to go watch it in my other video, it's going to be over there. I'll link it down below. So I'm going to be using their highlight, and this is a Vitalist Healthy Glow. These are very creamy, and if you press on it, they're too creamy that you could literally stick your finger on there. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of highlight. I don't know if I should use my beauty blender for this, which I think it's...
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change, it's hard. No scars, still you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful.
For my lips, I'm going to be going in with their a natural shade. So a thing I like about this, and at first I didn't like, okay, I do like these, but at first I was like, okay, I don't like these because I'm so used to ColourPop that the color gets on you a lot. But after a while, I really like ColourPop, and I don't feel like the color breaks like MAC. I'm always talking crap about MAC because I don't like how it cracks. I need to give them another chance because I haven't used them in a while, just like I didn't use Covergirl in the longest time. So anyways, these don't like overlap a lot, and they do dry matte, so they don't crack your lips. So at first it's really hard to use these if you're used to those colors that are super intense, because this is like super lightweight and I'm not used to that. So this is really cool, and this is a natural color. You guys could see the difference. But it doesn't dry off really fast when you're putting it on, but then when you're like done applying it, it does dry. So I'm going to go in with this gloss because I'm obsessed with this gloss. This is my favorite gloss. I don't know what it's called. It's KP27. I seriously don't know how to pronounce the name. It's like those Kim Kardashian lip glosses, but even better. You could see a little glitter. Okay, to lock up the look. It smells like spring. I'm going to use their setting mist. I forgot this isn't too hard. High breath. Breathe. Oh, it smells so good that when I sprayed it, I was like breathing it, and it made me sneeze. Well, guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I really do like the products. I don't really have anything bad to say. Let me see if I have something bad to say. No? I don't have anything bad to say at all. I really do like them. I do want to say, though, okay, I do want to say that the concealer, I feel like it dries up if you don't blend it. So I recommend spraying a little bit of a Fix Plus, or add a little bit of water and then just apply it if it does dry up. But I mean, it doesn't like dry up that you're not able to blend it, but it's just not as like workable as other concealers. but I like how it applies. If I could criticize something. But other than that, I really do like the foundation a lot. I feel like for a drugstore makeup, this is something people are going to be buying. It's going to be an affordable drugstore foundation that's going to work really good. I really like the Maybelline Fit Me one. I really didn't... Maybelline, it was something I wouldn't really buy, just like CoverGirl. I would really go for L'Oreal for drugstore. But I tried their Fit Me and I really like it, and I feel like this is kind of similar to it. I don't know which one's better, but Maybelline Fit Me is really good. And this one, I really like it, and I like how my face looks. I'm like looking at my face, so I'm not looking at you guys. Sorry. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys thought it was useful. I really did like the products. I'm really happy that CoverGirl sent this out, so thank you if you're watching this. I'm like excited for their new products, and I'm really excited for the primers, especially the pore primer, because I feel like I'm getting more pores. I'm probably going to be reviewing their primers in a separate video than this one, and I'm very excited. And I still have to buy some mascaras because I want to give their mascaras a try, because the one they sent out, I did like it, but it wasn't like the type of mascaras I like. So I'm going to look for mascaras that match my fit and try them out to see if I like them. But other than that, I really like all of their products. Like, they are upgrading their stuff so much. It's like amazing. I really do like their products, like a lot. But anyways, that completes this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want to see more of my videos, subscribe down below. And that was pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.